Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how we prepare our oga of breakfast. That is my supervisor food. So guys can see this boiled potato garnished with green beans and carrot and tomato sauce. Very yummy. This is my supervisor's food in the office. This is in breakfast. You take it with tea every morning. This is what it is. So I just want to show you guys a very simple menu. You can boil your potato garnish with green beans and carrot. Then you do your tea and eat. Sometimes we do chips for them with tomato sauce. So guys can see tomato sauce. So guys can see very simple menu. Anybody can do it at home. So guys can see the remaining one that we are testing and see, wow, see it's eating it. It's very yummy. And see, so I just want to show you guys what my supervisor eats every morning for breakfast. So guys can see it. Very yummy and sweet. So thanks for watching. It's a short video and simple menu. See you again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. It's going to eat it with tea. It's going to take tea with her. Enjoyment officer. Thanks. Bye.